What's up guys, it's me. AMD is going to launch the B450 motherboard for the budget gamer like me. Jump to the screen. So here it is. The link will be in the description box below. AMD is going to launch their AM4 and then the B450 motherboard for the gamer. The best thing is that it have like 6 PCIe X2 lane. Yes, 6 PCIe X2 lane is going to have, and then with a 16 with Ryzen 7 sport. Again, USB 3.1 Gen 2 only 2 Gen 1 6. Who really care about the USB 2? To be honest with you, we just get 3.1 overclocking. Yeah, again it's going to target the gamer market. Again, you will be the judge. Are you excited for it? For me, I think so. It's going to be sell really well. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.